All right,
Yeah, let's
take the
go.
quiz. Yeah, J flat. Okay.
J flat.
Yeah. All right, I remember these symbols. I think that one means 0 or more of that thing can occur or something like that. Yeah, 0 or more. So then there has to be 0 or more A's. Since there's no parentheses, it's just a single character, right? Like it's A, then
DFA for the given regular expression.
so it's A star and then B and then A star again and then B star.
Mhm.
So it should be 0 or more A's, and then after the first B, it's 0 or more A's again, and then the last B, it's 0 or more B's. Okay, what would that look like? So if we start here, if it's, yeah, I don't know. I guess if it's, oh, that's the wrong thing. If it's B, wait, I have to redo that. Wouldn't it like stay at the beginning, right?
Oh, I'm looking through.
I think if it's B, you either stay at the beginning or it's like a dead state.
Yeah, something like that. And then A would obviously move along. I'll just put one here. Wait, how does it work? I forget. Like this. I honestly don't remember, but let's just do that. No. Do y'all remember how to do that? Like the arrow? Oh yeah, it's drag. I just remembered. Okay. A.
Oh, fuck.
Oh wait, this is actually wrong because if it's 0 or more A's, then if it's B, you could actually move on. Bro, you don't want to delete stuff. Go away.
Because I think since the first expression is A, if it's B, you gotta either loop or go to a dead state.
No, I mean, not, I don't think so because it doesn't have to be A because the star means 0 or more.
I'll be reading the notes. Give me a second.
Then if it's B or A, it could go.
Yeah, put an asterisk after an expression to match 0 or more occurrences of that expression.
Yeah. And then if it's B, we would go somewhere else, I'm guessing.
Mhm.
So wait, where do I write it? All right. Then B, there has to be the B after the A. So this one would also have to be like, I'll just undo that, going B.
A, B, B.
Then after that, there could be 0 or more A's or 0 or more B's. And it doesn't matter. After you get here, you could literally, if it's A or B, you just redo it over and over again, right? Like if you start with B, the next thing could be an A or it could be a B. And if it's A, it could be any amount of A's. And then, oh yeah, we'd do another one actually. It could be like this. Like if you're at B and you do an A for a while, and then it'd be B. So like if I do this, I think that would make sense. And this thing would have an A. Yeah, I think that makes sense.
Would the Q3 and Q4? Oh wait, Q4 already has. Would it be like A comma B on Q3 and Q4, like going to each, like to itself, or is that like
I don't know.
am I not thinking about this correctly?
This one might be, it's A, and then let's say you keep doing A. Oh wait, never mind. I thought of this one wrong. That's wrong. This one I think, oh, don't do that. This one I think is right though. but this
Mhm.
one's not. Like if you start with A, then you do B, which is normal. You'd go to do 0. Wait, okay. You're at A, you do B. The next thing you could do is 0 or more A's. Or it could be like, yeah, I think this one would make sense, like A comma B, and then it'd just be like,
I was just thinking about like A comma B to itself, right?
yeah, like that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And I think this one makes sense either also because if you're at B, then you could either do an A or a B. But if you do,
Yeah.
actually, no, never mind. I don't-
Couldn't you have like an arrow that where it like stays in its state for A and then goes to the next one for B? Or something like that.
Yeah. Let's say you choose B, now you're here. I think it'd be like this. Like if you're here, you choose A, then you would stay here if you keep choosing A, but then if you don't choose A, you'd go here to B. And then if you're at B, you can keep doing B, and then this one, you could skip to B if you wanted to. So it'd be like that. Does that make sense?
Ooh, I don't know about that actually. Like it looked good until like the arrow from Q3 to Q6. I
Well, I
don't
mean,
think that's
if you're at B, you can skip A if you really wanted to, because the star means 0 or more. It's like there doesn't even have to be the first A, or not the first A, sorry. The second A. I mean, there doesn't have to be a first A either. That's why you can skip it here. But I mean, if you're at this A, like even if you're at this B, actually, you can skip this A if you really wanted to, you know? Like based off the way like the grammar works, like if you do B,
Mhm.
yeah,
I think it's fine. I think this works.
but this one would have to be something else. Oh, no, not that one.
But I
My
don't
bad.
think no.
Not that one. This one, I think we have to have like the same setup as over here, because like if you start with B, you could either do another, like go to B, or you could do A, but like, I don't know. I think this is actually fine. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. What lab is this, 5 or 6 or something like that?
Mhm.
I'm just gonna put 7 just because I don't know. What? Am I saving it in system 32? I think I got the error because this thing is trying to save in my Windows files.
Mhm.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm literally uploading the same thing. Where is it? Okay. Oh no. Find the regular expression. Okay. The first thing could be A or B. So that could be like those star things, right? Like it
Can't
could
you
be
just do the A like the or just like line like parentheses A or B?
Oh yeah, I think there's like a special thingy. Like if you do brackets A, B, that means A or B.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can do that. And then what is this one? I'm just gonna go to
Actually, 4 looks like a dead state because once you go there, there's
yeah.
no way of getting out of it.
You can do infinite A or B, right?
So wouldn't it just start with B then? And like that's the only one.
Oh yeah, you're right. Never mind.
Oh,
Yeah.
no, yeah.
So B, and then it can be A or B. So I guess we could do the brackets there, right? Oh wait, no, it can't be B because it goes to the dead state. Okay, never mind. B,
So I think it's BA.
and then it could be a lot of A's. So I think that could be A plus, right? Because it needs to be A. So one or more A's. So that's what the plus means, I think, right?
Or couldn't you just like do B, A, B, and then that's the final state? The A's kind of don't matter.
Yeah, but I think you need to account for the part where it can be like a bunch of A's based on this part.
Yeah, what's the one for 0 or more?
I don't think it's 0 or more. I think it's 1 or more. The plus, because you have to have A to get there in the first place, right?
Oh yeah, I meant like BA, the A to get there, and then after that you don't need any more A's.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, okay.
So it would be 1 or more. That's plus,
A
right?
plus B. That's it, I think. Like that.
That looks right.
Yeah. B, A, it could be any A after that, but then it has to be B, and then you're at the dead state. Your finite state, whatever. I don't know. All right, yeah, I think it's fine.
I
No,
hope
not?
we have that right because there's not a whole lot of partial for us to show for it.
Now that I think about it, if it's a DFA, that means that there can't be a. Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind. That's fine. I forgot. The DFA means you can't have like 2 A's from one thing, basically, or whatever. 0, 1. Okay.
The dead state.
So it could be 0 or more 0 1s. And the parentheses means that it's both of them together, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So like the line is a comma, like
Yeah.
one. I mean 0, 1. I don't know what to say.
So it'd be like, gosh. Can you do it like that? How would you do that? Oh, yeah, you can. Okay. I just saw in the notes. You can just draw a line like this. Oh, wait. Just draw this and do 0, 1. And then
Comma.
after that, it's just 0, 1. I guess you just do
Wait.
it. But then I think there needs to be like, let's say you don't have 0, 1 like this.
Uh-huh.
I think you need to like how do you move forward, right? Actually, I think it works.
This
Like,
works.
yeah, I think so.
Can you do like not 0, 1, like exclamation 1? Is that a thing?
I was wondering if you have to do like different states for like each occurrence. Like if it's not 0, 1.
Yeah, like
Oh, you mean like if I put like,
not 0, 1. Well, I'm just saying like on Q1, you could like instead of 0, 1 going to self, I think could you do like not 0, 1?
I mean, I think you need to have like, because it can be like an infinite number of 0, 1s in succession because of the asterisk. So I mean,
Yeah.
I think but the thing is like if you do 0, 1,
Mhm.
but like if you, actually, I think I need another one that's just like this. It's just 0, 1. But that doesn't make sense because it's like, if you don't do the infinite, you have like 0 of this thing, and you don't do the infinite, you just have 0, 1, then you end here. Is that fine, you think? Like, it doesn't matter?
Yeah, you could make it so that like if it's 0, 1, it goes to the final state.
Yeah, I mean, I have that.
But if it's not 0, 1, it just goes to a
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Like, it just, whoa. Okay. So like, if, like, I could have like this is like not 0, 1.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Solid.
And even if it would stay there either way, right? If it was 0, 1 or not 0, 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we should go to the first one and add something like that.
Wait, hang on, actually, because
What you thinking?
the way that this DFA is built, it makes it so that there has to be 2 0 1s.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking about earlier. Because like, well, like, I don't-
Because
I
if
was
the first one is
asking-
0 or more, then we only need 1 0 1 to reach the final state.
Yeah,
So there needs to be like an extra node. 0, 1, right? Or maybe I'm not right. I'm
What
honestly,
I
I did this a week ago. My memory is faulty for this.
what I think you could do is for like the beginning expression of 0 1 in parentheses, you can make it so that if it's 0, it goes to Q1. And then if it's 1, it goes back to Q0. And if it ever like messes up, it goes to the dead state. Like if it's like consecutive 1s or consecutive 0s, it goes to the dead state.
like, oh god, let me undo real quick.
Like, wait, let me see if I can like draw it out real quick.
I think I get what you're saying. Like this, if it starts with 0, we're good because we need it to start with 0. And if it starts with 1, we're also good, right? So we
Oh,
go
if
through.
it, yeah, if it's 1, then you're good.
And then if this is not,
If that's a 0, then it goes to the dead state.
all right.
God, I'm gonna fail this midterm so hard.
No, because literally he gave us like half a page study guide.
Really? Let me see this shit. Midterms.
It's like actually the most useless
what
thing I've
the
ever seen.
fuck is this? I'm failing so hard.
And then as long as 0, 1 in the beginning, it could be like 0, 1 infinite loop, right? And that's fine.
Reading these topics, I don't remember what these are.
And then the last one would have to be 0, 1. This will be the final state, right?
Honestly, I don't know. Gonna be completely honest with you.
I mean, you don't even really need that extra one, do you? Because this one will just keep doing 0, 1 as many times as you want, right? And realistically, that could be like any number. So you don't really need to do this, do you?
Because it, yes. Yes.
Way. All right, and then the thing is, if we don't start with 0, 1, it's like 0 or more, then if you just have 0, 1 normally, would you just oh, this is fine, I think, actually.
Yeah, and then also have an arrow going from Q4 to where it's 1.
Oh, yeah, 1. Like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I think so.
How do you delete stuff? Like, if I was gonna sit here and be like, go away.
Because I usually just click the undo button. Like, if that works here.
Yeah, I can't really undo this because then maybe this thing. What is this? Deleter.
Deleter. No, no. The deleter. That's scary.
Uh,
I don't know why that sounds scary.
all right, I think it works.
This is going a little quicker.
All right. Oh God. What is the table of transitions? There's nothing called that in the notes, but I'm guessing it's just this thing. You're really out here making us do a table. I just use Google Docs and insert a table, I guess.
Okay, I think I looked it up and it's like, you have to like have a column for your present state and then a column for each, what the next state would be depending on input.
Like, I mean, oh God, I think I gotta change the dimensions of this.
So like, what does the DFA look like?
Give me 1 sec. This.
So it's
that was-
only A and B. So you can just make it 3 columns.
Yeah. And how many of these are there? There's 3, there's A and B.
Well, actually, not.
Like 3 by 3.
Pretty sure I know how
Yeah.
to do this.
Yeah, this doesn't seem too hard.
You put anything, just put your graphs first.
Oh wait, actually I'm gonna add an extra one for like labels, right?
Yeah. Mhm. So what is
4
it?
rows.
4 rows, 3 columns. Yeah.
All right. And what did he do? Input states?
Wait, what's the question? Can I see the question? Okay.
Then all the like letters that there are, just A and B.
Yeah, just 1 column for A, 1 for B.
Since Sungers did, I just said.
Okay. Do we even need epsilon? What did he have
Nah.
it here? Maybe we do. Because he has S3 goes to epsilon, which is null. What's S3? Yeah, I don't understand how to use that. Brackets means accept state. So like if it ends there, it's accepted, right?
Yeah, I think
So-
so.
The only accept state would be the
Q3.
Q3 and Q1. Q1 would be an accept state.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's like it's got the circle on it.
Oh, yeah.
Did you put like the answers after that? Yeah, I put all mine.
Basically, it works. It's A over and over again, and then it works if it's B over and over again, right?
So
It'd be
the
like
A,
B, 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 and then A once, and then actually, I don't know. This one's like super weird.
so for A, you'd have Q1. into, okay, I get it now, yeah. Q1. I
And
can,
then for B, Q2,
yeah,
Like this cell line.
and
Unusual, the cell line.
A is Q1
Oh,
and B
like
is
it's both,
Q3.
yeah. Is it easier to do that in Excel? Or, I think it's easier.
A
to
is
do
a
that.
Q2, yeah, that makes sense. Then if A is a Q3, it goes to Q1, right?
Mm-hmm.
One.
We're gonna like it.
Then if B is a Q3, it can be just Q3. Okay. Do we need to put the except state there? Oh, we kind of do. Okay. So we can do like,
Anywhere it says Q1 or Q3.
yeah.
Yours. Cool.
so all the A's bring it back to Q1. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the only B's that don't,
Is it
Q2.
go
So
here?
it's basically
I like that answer.
one or more A's and then 2 or more consecutive B's.
Yeah.
This seems a little too easy.
No, it's like
it's
the
okay.
first, it's the first of its kind, like the question, so it's like, it's fine. They always make the first one easy, the new one.
Dude, my computer's being so slow. Holy shit.
It's all of the
All the things I have open.
yeah.
Just like wait till it was in Word. Yeah. Wait till it was-
Lego Star Wars.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Absolutely goated game.
This computer. Q2 and Q3 such that string ABA is rejected and ABAA is accepted. So then wouldn't it just be
That little thing. I'm gonna have to edit.
ABA would just go to Q3, right? This would be A, and then wouldn't it just be, kind of just copy this, right? Their thing.
So we're assuming that Q3 is a dead state because Q2 is the accept.
So it's dead if you have A again, but then if you get A again, you can go back. Because it says ABAA is accepted, but AB is not, right?
That would be long.
Yeah.
You could just be like, and then this one, the A. Yeah, I feel like that makes sense, right?
Mhm.
Or instead of not A, couldn't you just do B?
Maybe it's
Yeah.
A, B, A.
Do you do the shading to make them all like gray background?
So then if you get A, so A, B, A is accepted, A.
You make it dark though.
I like, this looks.
Yeah, that looks right.
There's no way this lab was this easy.
Where that go, dude. I'm pretty sure it literally, I'm pretty sure the announcement said it would be easy,
I just, the only lines.
from what I
do
remember.
Go back to the first one though, to be honest, and change some stuff.
Yeah, that was gonna say the same thing. That one's bothering me a little bit.
Oh, the first one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a clue on the first one. So, guys, this might be one of the first ones, except
Just-
for the week one, that we're like.
We're
kinda
on our
nice.
shit.
We're kind of nice with it, except for the first question. And hey, as long as I'm getting 80s above on like on all the labs, low key chill.
1, 3 spaces, 2, 3 spaces, 3 spaces, 4 spaces. Yeah, we used to- You do that in Microsoft where you took the lines out like here. It doesn't copy over lines if you,
Oh my god, I almost pressed
should
sub.
I do it like this and fill in all my numbers and then copy it and then
Okay, so it's A star B A star B star.
but like to take those lines out like the lines. Yeah, here, I can show you what I
Should we just like completely redo it?
Yeah, we can. But I honestly don't wanna. I know that. Let me move it. I feel like I can make it better looking at least, right? Like, let's think A,
The star means 0 or more, right?
yeah. Oh, it's A star. We can have, oh, we forgot to do an A right here, right? Because they could be more than an A, right?
No way.
Then it has to be a B, and then you could do 0 or more A's, or you could just do B and then 0 or more B's. And if you're at A and you choose B after, you can do this, right? I feel like it makes sense, but I don't know. I don't know about this one. I feel like this one's fine. Like if you choose,
Yeah, wait, I'm like drawing it real quick.
okay,
Cause wait, cause the star's 0 or more, right? So that means you don't have to have an A at the beginning, right?
yeah, that's why I have the B off like this way. If you don't have the A, you can start with this B, and then you could either have 0 or more A's, or you could just do B instead.
I might be wrong, but I think there's like a way cleaner way we could do it.
Probably.
Like at the
Like a
beginning
smaller
state,
way.
just have A like go into itself,
Q1.
like have it loop
Yeah, that's
instead of
true.
like going off into an entirely different one.
That's what I
And I can
did. And then.
kill the
I did the reactions fine because they're all.
The deleter.
Yeah.
And then all the drops, and then all the rest of it like separate.
and then if it's
You send it them in Excel or?
oh, we can just get rid of this thing.
I thought it was easier. They might be- I don't know how. I don't know how much easier it would have been if I did it. Just come in and then it's. Select all of them. No, I thought they were both pretty easy, so.
And if we
Do
have
do we even need the last state actually? Because once you get once you get one B, it doesn't matter how many A's or B's you have after.
Yeah, I feel like they were like more like.
yeah, I can make it smaller.
Beep, 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 beep. I think this is fine.
Yeah, I mean, I think
Oh wait,
we-
actually, aren't we not allowed to have like two branch off from one input?
oh shit, yeah, it's true.
I think all you
Do
have
you
to do is
need-
just delete Q5 and Q6, and I think it would be fine.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that works. I was literally just thinking, I don't.
Oh yeah, they're the
think-
exact
I don't
thing.
think we
yeah.
need two branches, yeah.
Yeah.
It's that easy.
All right, A is over again, then B. Then you
Wait,
do-
this is low key. Actually, I don't
yeah,
remember- I
it's
don't
true,
remember
this
what I said
works.
earlier. This is low key what I recommended at the start, but I don't think it is. I think there's one part that does wrong.
Wait a second. I just
Okay.
want to make sure we have this right. This is bothering me.
I mean, it makes sense because you can have A or infinite A's or no A's, and then if you have B, then you need to go here. And you have infinite A's or no A's, and if you have B, then you go here and do infinite B's, right?
So which one's our final state?
I mean, I think either of them could be just because you don't need to have B's at all, and you don't need to have A's at all, right? So if you,
Oh, that makes sense. It just needs to be B is always after
yeah,
A. Okay, that makes sense.
I
Is
think
it
this
possible to like label them as a final state, or does that even
I
matter?
think so, but
They still see you because there's a mirror in the back. Let's
I think it's fine.
go. What HP was your Topovex? Okay. Nah, I was going. Yeah, that Stone Edge miss is funny as hell.
Gosh,
One of the fastest labs of all time. That
I know.
I'll probably do the survey later after like because it takes like an hour or so to like upload and shit.
Hmm.
But I mean I'll get it done. I mean I'll have it done. Let's go. So.
Okay, I think we're good.
All right. You can submit and I will stop it.
All right.
Bum, bum, bum.
Only 35